In this example, we are going to create a visualization by adding product type as a dimension and the sum of sale as a measure. Then, from the Properties panel, expand Data, and under Filters, click the Add button to add a dimension, in this case product line. Under Values, we select Food. Then we click on the Exclude checkbox. After this, the bar chart will show only the drink products. After that, we are going to label the visualization Sales per Beverage Products. In the second example, we create a visualization by dragging the dimension product group and the measure sales. Then, under Visualization, we select the pie chart. As before, as a filter, we add product line, and as a value we select drink. Then, we add another filter by adding product type and excluding hot beverages. In this way, the pie chart will show now all the drink products, excluded the hot beverage ones. Now we are going to label the visualization Sales for Cold Drinks Products. And here you have the final result. A bar chart showing the sales per product type, excluding the food products, and a pie chart that shows the sales for cold drink products obtained by excluding the hot beverage from the product type. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.